Also, Bitcoin. Gotta hit 100,000.
Oh, we might get 100K Bitcoin.
Hello.
Jeez.
Good morning.
What's that right now?
Let's take a look. 97.5.
We're gonna get
about
there.
98.3 there in free market this morning. That is just outrageous. Wow. Bitcoin.
So do you think this can be a sell the news event though? Once it hits that psych level,
it's a
100K?
huge psych level. No matter what, I don't like whether or not we get through it. I think we definitely could get through it, but no matter what, I definitely think we see rejection off of that area initially, right? It's just such a massive psychological level, and I feel like so many people are waiting to maybe take some profits there, have orders set. But I also feel like there's a lot of orders set to buy just above 100K to really keep pushing this thing higher. So I don't know there, but I just know psychological levels are big, and 100K is 100K, man. And I can't in good conscience think that we won't get some rejection there until I just see it blow off the tops through it. So
I mean, I think it's going to happen Sunday. First off, dream scenario would happen, like looking at this poll, when it's going to hit 100K, I would hope it's going to be Sunday afternoon. And why is that? I think it sets the tone of next week, especially on a shortened Thanksgiving week, where risk on trade is going to continue strong, especially if you see crypto raging Sunday night. It's going to get the appetite going for a lot of the risk on trade to start the week next week. So I hope it doesn't really happen today, because I feel like the weekend's going to fade that move, in my opinion. And I would love them to like kind of break out on Sunday. And it looks like everyone, 60% of people, 2,000 people, over 2,000 people think it's going to be today. So hopefully I'm right and everyone else is wrong, because I do think it'd be bullish if we don't hit 100K before the weekend. We hit it at the end, but either way, you can't get bearish on crypto honestly right now, especially in the setup we have. It's one of those things you can't miss out on. Do you own any crypto?
No, I don't. I'm not a big crypto guy. I do own like ETFs that are tied to crypto, but I don't own any actual crypto personally.
That surprises me for some reason. I thought you'd be.
I know.
First off, maybe it's because I'm generalizing.
Everybody's super surprised when I say that. It's not that I don't believe in it, but it's also that I'm not ready to jump at it yet. It's not needed to be a part of my daily life at the moment. Now, if our financial system does switch over to that, that's what I'm gonna have to do. And maybe I'm missing out on some killer prices. It's very possible. But for me, I need to see more. I need to see more regulation and more certainty, I guess, that this is really going to be a part of our financial system. Again, though, that doesn't make me a bear. I'm not saying I'm bearish.
You need that conviction.
Yeah, you need that conviction. And of course, like, yes, I could be diversified and throw a little bit in there. At the end of the day, it's just, again, every time I'm like, I have some money to throw in Bitcoin, I'm like, I'd rather throw that in Tesla. I'd rather throw that here. I have companies waiting for me, that I'd like to invest in. So that's a hard thing for me. And it's definitely something that I have to maybe raise the question about in the future. Like, if things really are switching over to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, that's a big decision I'm going to have to make here in the future.